Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can add local files on Spotify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in this website, where I found a guide that explains perfectly everything you need to know about uploading music to Spotify. So right now, we're gonna jump right to the steps. In order to upload music to Spotify from your desktop, firstly, you need to open the Spotify desktop app on your Windows PC or Mac and sign into your account. Then, go ahead and click the drop down menu button next to your account name and choose Settings. Scroll down the settings screen to the Local Files section and select the Show Local Files slider. Select Show Songs from Downloads or Music Library or both. Any audio files in these folders must be MP3 format to be visible to Spotify. If you want to import audio files from another folder, select Add a Source. From the pop-up browser, select the folder you want to add to Spotify, then click on OK. Select your library from the left-hand menu and then the Local Files folder to explore and play tracks stored on your computer in the Spotify desktop app. Right now, we're going to see how to upload music to Spotify on your mobile device. Firstly, select Create Playlist from the left-hand menu on the Spotify desktop app and give the playlist a name. Select the local files folder in your library and drag and drop tracks from it into your new playlist. Open the Spotify app on your phone or tablet and make sure the device is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your computer. Then you should see your new playlist in the playlist section of your library. And once downloaded, you'll be able to play the locally stored music on your phone, tablet, just like any another Spotify tracks. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.